So, good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, one and all. And my name is Shabarinath. I am working as assistant professor in VNR Vijnana Jyoti Institute of Engineering and Technology, Hyderabad. And I'm also simultaneously working as a research scholar in NIT Warangal under the guidance of Muralidhar sir. Now, I would like to explain the assignment given in the Atal course named Blended and Flipped Approach in the Teaching Learning process. So this is the so as you can see, this is the Canvas website I have opened, and so this is my dashboard. In this dashboard, this is the course created by Janardhan Garu, and as part of the course, so as a part of the assignment, I have created one more course, namely sensors, transducers, and actuators. So this is the course which I have created as a part of the assignment, and as you can see, if I log in into this course already published in Canvas, and you can see this. If you can open this, so like so this is the course title. Okay, this is the front page actually. This is the course title. As you can see, I have just added few beautification for this front page, and I added a image. This is a sensors, transducers, and actuators. I have added some ultrasonic sensor image. like uh, as you can see, this course is based as a part of a track called IoT, which is offered by our department. So instructors, so this is the front page, right? So as a part of the assignment, you can see these different modules which I have created as per the assignment question. I have mentioned as introduction. Now I am emphasizing the first unit of my course in order to do all the issues in this. You can see this. I have given some title primary sensing elements and transducers. You can see here starting from course outline. I have given the course outline as per the assignment. This is the first heading. So where I have given the course outcomes and some content of the contents I am going to give. Okay, so this is the first thing, and the next thing I have given a course schedule. Okay, so I have given a schedule so this is the thing schedule, and this is the topic name, how many hours, lecture date, and methodology. So which in our college actually we are going to use Wittenville methodology and PPT presentation, and what are the course outcomes, the respective course outcome I have given here. So okay, this is the regarding the course outcome here, independent of the I also added one more module called Wittenville module. So actually, Wittenville means why am I? Wit stands for why am I teaching and what am I teaching. From the teacher's perspective, will stands for why am I teaching and what I am teaching from the student's perspective. Here, what we do, we use a scenario, real-time industrial scenario, to explain the subject, where we map all the concepts related to this subject, with this scenario, and we also do the industrial endorsement. And we go to the industry and ask them to verify, and they will just give a letter endorsing us. By this way, the students can improve their industrial chances. They can go to the core departments, core industries. So we believe in this methodology will works for the students, which helps for their placements for getting core jobs. So I included this also. So I also included prior knowledge assessment. So this assessment I have given for as a part of a prerequisites, as I mentioned in the quiz. So you can, if I press preview, if I preview this, you can see the different questions I have asked. These are the generic questions related to the prerequisites of the subject, and I have given a 10 minutes time for in order to attempt this question. I also can attempt now. If I attempt this, okay, you can see the as a now. Okay, if I submit the quiz, you can see. So this preview quiz, it's a preview quiz. Why I am acting as a teacher for this? So it's a preview quiz. So okay, anyway, I know the answer, so I am got all the answers correct, all the questions correct. No, anyway, so this is the pre-assessment quiz. Also, similarly, I have included the blended plan. Blended lesson plan. You can preview this. This plan we are following in our college. This is as per the ACT standards. as part of a course file. We'll use this and use the same format which we follow in our institute, like we mention the prerequisite, course objectives, course outcomes, mapping CO with PO, professional, like a program, or PO stands for program outcomes. Like this, we use the different what are the resources we are using, like textbooks, reference books, publications, like as open sources, right, journals. Okay, so we also use different teaching methodologies, especially we follow Wit and Will. Apart from that, we also use the generic traditional teaching methodologies. uh, Now, any field visit we are proposing for this subject, also the way we assess the students, and what are the different weightages for the assessment, or the different assessment to assessment weightage. Okay, like any home assignments, quizzes, course projects, any simulation softwares we are using in this course, detailed lecture plan. The lecture plan also we are including in this way, like similarly I showed you. So in this way we follow same thing I uploaded in this LMS. Now also I am giving the scheme of evaluation. So scheme of evaluation, we follow this home assignment, quiz, course based project, mid examination. So all these issues, like what is the weightage and what are the marks, right? This is the scheme of evaluation. This also I mentioned the method which we follow in our institute, Vijnana Jyoti Institute. Also have given the course videos. So I made few course videos. These videos have been uploaded to YouTube and then embedded here. You can see I just play. So these videos I have explained using the pen tablet. So I'm explaining to the students using the pen tablet these videos. Actually, I uploaded these videos in the YouTube, and then I embedded, as said by in the content, I embedded here. So now course material. So I have created this podium, but I have not uploaded any material. Like to upload, I can upload the material. Now I also made a course announcement. Like this is a very like I enjoyed really. Also I did a video on the course announcement. So okay, this is the course which I am uploaded as a welcome video, like course announcement thing. And also I created a discussion thread, right, as you can see. So before discussion thread, let me show the people in this course. Like already added 5 invitations I have to be accepted, but many students have added in this course. You can see these are my students, belongs to my college. Okay, they are very sincere students. Also I would like to thank Janardhanan sir. Like he is very humble. Like he accepted my invitation and joined and commented on my course. I would like to thank on this occasion to him. He is very humble person I have ever seen. So I've added these students. Also you can see now you can see this discussion thread where I have posted a questions. Right? Also students replied to this question. Like my students are very good, I told. Like they have replied to this question. Okay, so this is about the thing. And again I'm going for the module. In the modules, okay, course video, course announcement, discussion thread. So this is as per the assignment. I have created an LMS. I am using LMS called Canvas, learning management system called Canvas, and I'm making a course, my own course, like primary sensing elements and transducers. And of course I want to continue with this, and I want to update on a daily basis to this course. And it's a very motivation given by all the faculty, especially Janardhanan sir. And thank you very much. Like actually this part, the part is explained by Mallika madam. Awesome explanation and excellent explanation, very step by step, very patiently she has explained this. So what more, you can see Okay, so this is a assignment, and I would like to thank the Janardhanan sir and all the respective faculty members like Mallika madam, Dinesh sir, Shanmuganiti sir, and administration team, like for organizing such a wonderful workshop, like for free. Even if I pay more money also, they won't give such a valuable information nowadays. So you guys really, you provided me, thank you very much sir. Like I completed my BTech from Shastra University Tanjavur. I know how hard, how simple the faculty from Tamil Nadu are, and like I, so with their inspiration only I have entered into this field. Like even though we have 100% placement, even though I am placed, so I entered into this video, into this profession. Like thank you very much sir, thank you, thank you.